believe that we can keep the light shed on Oakland and other places of marginalized communities as well. Forgive me, I'm a little bit under the weather, so my voice is a little bit monotone, but I'll try to speak up as best I can. Through my platform, aligning with these people, we tend to bring awareness, attention, and media presence, so some of these issues aren't going to be forgotten about. We're going to keep aligning, we're going to keep coming together, we're going to keep shedding the light on what's going on in Oakland. And you guys see it, you guys know what's going on. And communities like this, and also other communities in the U.S., hegemonically, systemically, things have transpired to ensure communities like this demise. Incarceration rate is up, abandoned buildings, lack of resources. All of this is intentional to push people out and push other people in. Our goal is to slow this down or actually prevent this. And the bad news is that it's going to take a lot of work, but the good news is that we're prepared to fight. And it's a different world, it's a different generation. The bad news is that it's going to take a lot of time, it's going to take some work, but the good news is that we're prepared to fight, and then the world is changing. And through technology and innovation, the game has changed. Baron just gave a presentation on artificial intelligence and AI. Before, it took expertise, resources, and a lot of excess information to start a business. In today's time, through the use of technology, it's much more practical and accessible to start a business through the use of technology and innovation. For example, through AI, you can develop marketing strategies, you can handle accounting, you can, automate customer service, and technology is kind of changing the game. Our communities are always the last to get these technological and innovative kind of breakdowns and summaries, and how we're the last to kind of get, these resources allocated to us. But it's 2025, these resources are important, and we can also use them to change it. Boston Exchange started with an idea, but through gradual time and improvement, through the identification of aligned partners, using kind of what's current and applying it to our neighborhoods and our generation, I believe that gradually we can turn this into a movement. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to make some announcements as well. One of the announcements is that we are investing here in Oakland. We have identified a place, I think it's on 14th Street, if I'm not mistaken. 14 to 14? Yeah, we're excited to announce the Exchange District, a new facility that we can build. Shout out to Jason Kidd, for an Oakland native, for his investment. I don't think he's here today, but a lot of this. Shout out to also Oak Stop and the legendary Joffrey Pete. That were able to do this. So we're excited to announce the Exchange District, a new facility here in Oakland that we plan to revitalize and make it into an incubator so businesses, young minds, creators can come and have a space to develop a business plan, develop some resources, get connected to programming, understanding what's going on in the world between technology and innovation and how can it be applied to neighborhoods like this, and how we can use it and not be the last to use it to get ahead. So I'm excited to announce that. Also, we'll be announcing the Incubator Fund, similar to the one that I just announced in Boston. Incubator Fund, basically we did it through a rubric or through a committee or a team. A bunch of people applied for resources over we had probably over 200 applicants. We narrowed it down to 10 that were the businesses that through different capabilities, have the readiness in order to be successful. And me and my teammate, Joe Holiday, will be allocating resources to each of these businesses so they can be successful, also programming, also expertise as well. And the goal is for those businesses to be successful, and then be able to come back and fund the next cohort or the next 20 to 50 years. So we're excited to announce, one, that we are invested into the community, where we have a facility outside of Oak Stop, in continuation of Oak Stop, that we would like to start developing young people, businesses, creators, etc., to come and start using, technology, using innovation, using AI to kind of start optimizing marketing strategies, using these business plans to kind of develop and create success. And then also launching an incubator fund. We'll identify those businesses that are already doing that and try to give them the resources so they can go and take it to the next step. And it's led by one of my mentors, somebody I interned with when I was here in college almost 10 years ago now, which is crazy. But shout out to Eric Moore and Base Ventures. He's sitting over there. There he is, Eric. So I'm very excited to announce that we are shedding the light here on what's going on here in Oakland. We don't want, things to be forgotten about. Me using my platform to continue to bring awareness, continue to bring the light and attention to Oakland, because we know what happens when it's forgotten about. We know what the agenda is, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna fight. And I'm here to fight with you guys. So I'm excited.
All right, let's hear it for Jaden Brown.